Hi guys, what's up? Right, so this challenge I might struggle with because I don't have any pets because my family is like allergic to all pets if we combine our allergies, apart from like maybe a hairless cat or something. So I've tried to do the best I can. I didn't want to end up me having two teddy bears talking to each other like that, so I've tried to put something together. So I've got two little sketches things. And yeah, here they are. And I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next week. And here are the two little sketches, I guess. This is so cool. Look at them. Just I want those eggs. They look so good. Boys, we found dinner. It smells good. Scrambled egg, anyone? Love my eggs. That fly needs to die. Take this! Yeah! Ooh, eggs. My friend, well, he's getting whacked. Take that, fly. Wait a minute. Eduardo stole the eggs. These are cooking well, man, aren't they? You guys shouldn't have done that. Now marching. Single file line, everybody. Oh no, it's windy. Help! Guys, stay in line. Stay on. Oh my gosh, I can't help but rolling over. It's too windy. Wait, come back. I'll save you. Oh no. What is this? No, my babies. Come back. Come back. Stop rolling. Stop breakdancing. There you go. Waddle away. Waddle away. Now get back into your lines. Come on. Everybody regroup. Is everyone okay? Are you hurt? No? We're good? Good. Now let's keep making our way to the pond.